There was before the test, and there's after.
I didn't think I would ever find someone. I'm a bit of a weirdo, you know.
이야기는 가까운 미래를 배경으로 개인의 안구 정보와 DNA를 기반으로 서로에게 가장 매력적으로 느껴지는 완벽한 유전적 짝을 정확히 매칭해주는 기술이 등장한 세계에서 출발합니다.
Your soulmate is one simple test away. Waiting.
The Lovers by Magritte. Some argue it tells the story of frustrated desire. Others believe in its romance.
Do you think they know they're a total cliche? Preppy lovebirds.
한편 데이비드는 수업을 마친 뒤 호감을 드러내는 해나와 마주하며
What is this? Old school irony?
Maybe I just like old things.
불편함이 감도는 자리를 이어가고
Professor Gaskell?
David Maddox? I have some important information I'd like to share with you. Our test results.
I made my profile private. You shouldn't have this information.
I know. Illegally. It was wrong, but David, I took the test 2 years ago.
자신의 프로파일을 불법적으로 조회해.
I'm married.
I am too, by the way. And yes, I love my husband very much, but
I'm sorry.
see, maybe we're supposed to be friends. Here's me.
둘의 테스트 결과를 확인했다는 여성에게 당혹감과 호기심이 교차하는 알 수 없는 감정을 느끼죠.
Walter, must be nice having your whole family here together.
But as my final act, I'm going to recommend you to the board for tenure.
What's wrong?
Walter's retiring.
그날 밤 데이비드는 장인어른의 종신 재집권 추천 소식을 에밀리에게 알리며 기쁨과 안도를 함께 공유하지만
It's in any sense vain or self-absorbed.
But why did she paint herself so much then?
Her self-portraits are a way to express the physical pain of her actions, the emotional pain of Diego's affairs, her suicide attempts.
다음 날 일방적으로 자신을 따라다니는 앨리슨의 태도에 불편함을 느낍니다.
You had my account hacked. That's a federal crime. You could go to jail for 20 years. I'm sorry, Allison. Really. I took the test a long time ago. I'm a very different person now.
Have you told your wife I came to see you?
Maybe you're right. Maybe we're meant to be friends.
이에 데이비드는 그녀가 아내에게 자신이 검사를 몰래 받았다는 사실을 털어놓을 가능성을 떠올리며 전화번호를 건네고 관계를 정리하려 하지만
Well, do we hug or I don't know. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't.
예상치 못한 스킨십 이후
You coming?
After this,
감정이 흔들리면서 일상에서도 좀처럼 집중하지 못하죠.
Hey.
Hey.
Will you meet me? Hey.
hey,
며칠 뒤 앨리슨의 제안으로 다시 만난 두 사람은
I only ever truly loved one person. And it wasn't him.
who was it?
We did everything together. And then she went to college and fell for her professor.
And her professor, huh?
한적한 호숫가에서 테스트 결과와 과거의 감정, 그리고 현재의 불안을 차분히 꺼내놓으며 서로에게 끌려온 이유를 인정하고
What's up?
Yeah, This seminar thing, they want to take me out for dinner after.
끝내 되돌릴 수 없는 단계로 한 걸음 더 나아갑니다.
Allison?
Hi, this is Allison Jones. I can't take your call right now, but if you leave me your name and number, I'll call you right back.
하지만 다음 날 데이비드는 모텔에서 홀로 눈을 뜨고 앨리슨에게 일방적으로 연락이 끊긴 사실을 확인하죠.
What happened? Where did you go?
I'm sorry, I didn't want to wait. I'm passing back through tonight. I really want to see you.
Okay.
Same hotel?
Yeah.
그날 밤 데이비드는 혼자 모텔로 돌아와 앨리슨을 기다리지만
What the hell is going on? Hannah, what are you doing here?
뜻밖의 해나와 마주치고
I sent you pictures.
No. What pictures? What are you talking about? Stop. Breathe. Hannah.
사진과 연락을 둘러싼 혼란스러운 대화가 이어지자 사태의 본질을 의심하기 시작합니다.
Where are you? You need to call me and tell me what the hell is going on. And call.
그러나 앨리스는 여유로운 태도로 에밀리와 담담히 대화를 이어가며
David, meet Allison. I got back and found her stuck in the middle of the street.
낯선 방문자처럼 자신을 소개하고
Oh, and David is a lecturer at the college here. And you're right, your wife is a real sweetheart.
I don't know what kind of sick game you are playing, but it is going to stop now.
Careful, David. You squeeze any tighter and you'll leave a mark. Here you go.
Great. Now we officially exist in each other's worlds.
Oh boy, I want updates.
데이비드는 이 모든 만남이 의도된 흐름이었을지도 모른다는 의심과 불안에 사로잡히죠.
Someone has hacked into your system and pulled my information. So check again. She had my personal information. Look,
Okay.
I'd like to file an official complaint. Need to speak to Hannah.
She don't want to talk to you.
Hannah!
Hey, you better step back.
한편 해나는 데이비드가 자신 외 다른 여성과도 얽혀 있었다는 사실을 알게 되며 깊은 혼란에 빠지고
She's got pictures of your dick on her phone.
Who are you?
I'm your soulmate, David.
What do you want? Money?
No, David. What I want is for you to be alone with me. I want her to see who you really are.
이를 모두 파악한 앨리스는 증거와 침묵을 맞바꾸는 조건을 내세우며 그의 삶을 벼랑 끝으로 밀어붙입니다.
Good luck, David. Let's hope she can forgive you.
This morning, every member of this board received an email about you, David. When are you going to tell me about the allegations you faced during your time at Berkeley? Sexual assault of a student?
그 사이 데이비드의 숨겨진 사생활을 알게 된 하워드는 그를 불러 과거 학생과 관련된 추문을 확인하고
That it happened.
It didn't happen. I was the victim.
The board are going to be meeting here this afternoon to reassess your application. Is there anything else I need to know?
No.
신뢰 회복이 우선이라며 종신 재직권 결정을 미루죠.
I know you deny the allegation, but, well, the fact that Chloe Lamb, well, what she did after, it makes it very difficult for some members to reconcile.
데이비드는 집으로 돌아온 뒤 과거 자신과 얽혔던 학생의 흔적을 뒤지다
And then she went to college and fell for a professor.
앨리슨이 들려준 이야기의 주인공이 바로
To be
램이고
alone. To be alone and wondering why someone would do this to you.
I sent you pictures.
What pictures? Stop! Wait!
그녀가 램의 친언니라는 사실을 깨닫지만
If you didn't want to be found, maybe you should have paid for the room in cash. Jody. What were you gonna do? Tell me.
I want to destroy your life the way you destroyed my sister's. You knew she was vulnerable and you told her everything she needed to hear so you could sleep with her.
조디는 불안정한 제자를 보호한다는 명목 아래 왜곡된 행동을 반복해
I could go to the police, and you'd go to jail for a long time.
You go to the police and your wife will know what you did.
단호한 경고를 남깁니다.
The Lovers by Magritte.
11개월 후 데이비드는 종신 재직을 얻어 안정된 자리에 오르지만
All right, now, where were we? Story, but what of Magritte himself? What about his story? Unlock it.
수업 도중 강의실 화면에 숨겨왔던 과거 장면이 재생되며 진실이 폭로되고
Class is dismissed. Everyone go home. This is a joke. This is a rude joke. Get out of here! Get out of here!
David?
Honey.
자신이 지켜온 모든 것들이 돌이킬 수 없이 붕괴되죠. 서로를 깊이 사랑하지만 관계의 활력을 위해
You're back.
You're back. Was he funny?
No, he was not funny at all. He was quite nervous. How was Sarah?
She's young, excitable.
특정 앱을 통해서만 일회성 만남을 허용하는 오픈 메리지 상태를 유지하는 부부 리비와 아담.
I love you too.
Angelinos, it's 8:07 a.m. and a balmy 77 degrees.
Hey, sir.
Mikey! Hey, you just call me sir?
Yep.
리비는 자신과 다르게 아이들을 자연스럽게 아끼며
Would you play with me?
Yeah, I could. I just have to go to work, so I wouldn't want to get like you invested in the game and I have to leave before we finish and you feel abandoned.
High five. Boom! Get out of here. Never fails to amaze me how bad you are with kids, huh?
다정한 성격을 가진 아담에게 강한 매력을 느끼고
You know, I suggested it to my husband. We discussed it, and he said if I hooked up with anyone else, he'd kill me.
We have rules. 1, only from the app. 2, only one night.
부부가 합의한 제한된 만남의 원칙이
Absolutely. Keep going.
Kiss me.
Kiss you.
오히려 서로를 단단히 붙잡아 준다고 여기며 스스로의 선택을 긍정합니다.
Oh shit.
What?
그러던 어느 날 소울메이트가 발견되었다는 알림이 도착하자
We don't have secrets.
I took it years ago, Adam.
Years ago when you were 12?
When I said I might not want kids.
I'm over it.
I know, but I thought it was the only time that we might be done, so I took the test.
리비는 과거에 테스트를 받은 사실을 솔직하게 털어놓죠.
Stop it!
결국 리비는 아담의 동의 아래
This is so weird. Yeah, I kissed a few girls in college. More so. On vacation. I'm a substitute teacher, so, you know, a lot of free time.
Are you kidding? I think we should go and get a drink.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Well, I mean, the two of us, if that's okay.
No, absolutely.
소울메이트를 집으로 초대해 인사를 나눈 뒤 저녁 식사를 위해 자리를 비웁니다.
I looked up some of your art.
Your what?
Mm-hmm.
No, why? Well, it's definitely not art. It's
이후 리비와 미란다는 일과 사랑에 대한 생각을 공유하며 자연스럽게 가까워지지만
Adam was so relieved.
I bet he was.
Yeah, he was.
I think he's really great.
Hey, Adam, she's great. She's like a real artist. I feel we've known each other for years.
아담은 두 사람이 정서적 교감을 넘어 신체적 교감까지 이어질 경우
You're not allowed to sleep with her.
What?
Seriously.
You're being dramatic.
It would. Do you not see that?
관계 경계가 무너질 수 있음을 직감하죠.
This one's fascinating. They're all great, but I like this one. Oh, she's so adorable.
Do you want to hold her?
You are so cute, aren't you? You're the cutest. I think the baby's chosen you.
No, thanks.
Are you sure? Fine.
하지만 리비는 미란다와의 만남을 통해 감정적으로 편안해지는 자신을 발견하며
See? You're natural. Hey, she's not crying.
미란다의 존재에 점점 마음이 기울어가고
How come your longest relationship was only 1 year?
Because I'm a monster? Because I've never had one, I wanted to last longer? You know, people can cope on their own. We're all stronger than that. We're all fine. Can you?
It's really nice meeting you. You're excellent.
미묘한 여운과 아쉬움을 남긴 채
I'll see you again.
Be better.
작별 인사를 나눕니다.
Why am I feeling this way?
Hey!
Oh, what is happening?
Nothing. We're just being silly and picking tomatoes.
You want one?
Guess what?
What?
I have a new boyfriend.
며칠 뒤 미란다가 새로운 연인이 생겼다는 소식을 전하자 리비는 설명하기 어려운 상실감과 질투를 느끼고
You know what we haven't done yet?
What?
Daniel and Sora.
Couple. That's some next level shit, babe.
조용히 쌓이던 불안과 허전함이 업무 리듬까지 무너뜨리죠.
Libby?
I don't like it.
Excuse me?
Brightness. Get your brightness.
Miranda! Hey, guess what?
I just want to see you. That guy was awful. I want to see you all the time.
그러던 어느 날 미란다가 이별을 전하며 다시 연락해오자
Hey. Adam's working still, so I don't know. I love you.
I love you too.
리비는 외로움과 미련이 뒤섞인 감정에 휩쓸려 순간적인 선택을 하고
No, look, she's your goddamn soulmate. Something was bound to happen.
아담은 더 이상 모호한 관계를 받아들일 수 없다며
Unless you choose. Her or me.
Adam.
Her? Or me?
리비에게 둘 중 하나를 선택하라는 마지막 기회를 내밉니다.
Good luck with the presentation. You are going to kill it.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Honestly, I love New You.
시간이 지나 리비는 미란다와 동거하며 성공과 사랑을 동시에 붙잡지만
You're snoring.
안정돼 보이던 일상 속에서 작은 어긋남과 감정의 온도차가 조금씩 쌓이며 균열이 드러나기 시작합니다.
Would you still love me if I look like this?
If your nose was broken?
No, if I like look like this.
You have to give up your day job. Is this necessary?
Hey, how's it going? Hey.
한편 자신의 의사와 상관없이 사람들을 불러들이는 미란다의 태도에
You've had people every night this week.
I thought you liked having fun.
I do.
I moved here for you. I got a new job. I changed my life.
I thought you might.
Might what?
I don't know, take care of me for a minute.
I am not like him.
리비는 관계가 자신을 바꿔주지 않았다는 사실을 인정하며 혼란과 미련 속에서 아담을 찾아가
I was wrong to choose her. I should have tried to make it work.
I'd lost. I knew it the day I saw you with the baby in the cafe.
You're my heart. Don't you think there's a way to make it work?
선택의 책임과 상처를 털어놓으며 뒤늦은 사과를 전하죠.
Hi.
Hey, this is my wife, Libby,
Hi. You're very pretty.
and this is her soulmate, Miranda.
He's told us so much about you. He really likes you.
이에 아담은 한 사람에게 모든 역할을 요구하지 않는 다자연의 방식을 선택해
It's kind of crazy to expect one person to be your everything. If you want to walk away now, none of us will judge you.
Start with the coffee.
세 사람은 서두르지 말자는 합의 아래 새로운 형태의 관계를 받아들입니다.
Tell me about you. You ever been married?
No. No. You?
세 번째 이야기는 주인공이 처음 만난 남자와 술자리를 가지며
Okay. We're not together anymore. I didn't like the way that he treated women.
자신의 과거 이야기를 솔직하게 털어놓는 연출로 첫 장면을 이룹니다.
He taught me a lot about myself, actually. In fact, a lot of who I am now is because of him.
Could you cover my shift Monday? Gotta get my hair done. Hot day. This guy, he could be the one. He's in management. Come on, Kay, please.
케이틀린은 주변의 변화와 대비되는 자신의 자리를 체감하면서
Hey,
Hey.
you didn't bring dinner?
동거 중인 더그와의 생활 역시 익숙한 반 남은 상태로 흐르자 그동안 미뤄왔던 선택을 단호하게 실행하며 이별을 통보하죠.
Companionship until one of us got our match. This is my apartment.
I help cover rent.
How would I explain that to Nathan?
Nathan?
Yeah.
You haven't even met the guy.
Doug, please, come on. Don't make this hard for me.
Hard?
I was really...
I said no. Caitlin?
Nathan.
이후 케이틀린은 네이선과의 첫 만남에서 이전 관계와는 다른 단정함과 깊이를 마주하고
Why'd you take the test if you have a boyfriend?
I asked him to move out, and I'm sorry. I didn't mean to kill the mood.
No.
자신의 상처와 두려움을 존중해주는 그의 태도에 이끌려 순식간에 마음이 움직이기 시작합니다.
I mean, we just had one date. Well, you know, a kind of date, but it was amazing.
Does he have this intense kind of look? Like he's staring right into you?
Yes. How do you know that?
한편 네이선 또한 케이틀린의 현재 상황을 재촉하지 않고 받아들이며
I lived
I
with
want to see
my
your place.
Doug's there.
Do you want him to be?
No, but
Hey. Oh, we're out of toilet paper.
It's him?
그녀가 더그와의 관계를 스스로 정리할 수 있도록 한 발 물러서서 바라보고
I was very clear. We're done. And I would like you to pack up and move out now, please. But just go.
자연스럽게 곁을 지키는 역할을 하죠.
It felt good, right?
I think I love you.
하지만 어느 순간 네이선의 소식이 잦아들며 자취를 감추자 케이틀린은 불안감에 휩싸이고
Nathan?
Hey, I want to see you. Come to my place.
갑작스러운 그의 호출에 밤늦게 집을 찾았다가
Yes, and I would love to paint you.
그가 한 여성을 극심한 폭력으로 해치는 현장을 목격하며 깊은 혼란과 공포에 빠집니다.
Kayla!
911 police operator. What is your emergency?
I just saw my. No, I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
한편 연쇄적으로 타인을 극단적인 방식으로 해쳐왔던 네이선은
Did you call the police?
I didn't tell them anything.
Why not? I invited you over because I wanted to show you who I really am. I wanted to see if you might be like me.
자신과 같은 감각과 충동을 공유하는 존재인지 확인하고 싶었다고 말하고
Get out. Get out! Get out!
Caitlin?
케이틀린은 그의 고백 앞에서 극심한 공포에 휩싸이면서도 설명하기 어려운 끌림을 느끼지만
I'm a good person, right? I mean, I really try to do the right thing.
끝내 스스로의 윤리와 판단을 붙잡고 관계를 끊어내죠.
I have some information.
You want to report a crime?
며칠 뒤 케이틀린은 경찰서를 찾아 네이선의 일을 알리려 하지만
There's a man, and he.
그와 함께 나눴던 시간과 감정이 계속 떠올라
Ma'am.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Excuse me. Ma'am. Excuse me.
끝내 신고를 포기하며 혼란 속에 돌아섭니다.
Hey, you got a couple of bucks? Hey, you okay, lady?
그 순간 낯선 남자가 갑자기 다가와 위협하자 케이틀린은 순간적으로 호신용품을 사용해 몸을 떼어내고 벗어나지만
Hold it. Now breathe out.
네이선이 과거에 해주었던 말을 떠올리며 마음을 가다듬고 두려움에서 벗어나기 위해 다시 한 걸음 다가가 강하게 대응하죠. 이후 케이틀린은 다시 더그와 동거를 시작하지만
You cooking?
Yeah.
Great. I'm starving.
14 on the bottom. So that's 6 and 6 and 6. No, that makes 18. So
이유 없이 그에게 해를 가하는 장면이 머릿속에 스쳐 지나가는 자신의 모습에 큰 혼란을 느낍니다.
like a pyramid, I guess.
Sometimes when you're sleeping, I think about stabbing you in the stomach just to see how long it would take you to bleed until you die.
What book is that? Is that Harry Potter or something?
Hey, Doug?
그러던 어느 날 더그가 흔적 없이 사라지자
Hey, I can't take your call right now because I'm upstate seeing a doctor.
케이틀린은 그가 말해둔 주소로 향해
Go, Nathan.
네이선에게 심각한 상태로 붙잡혀 있는 더그를 발견하고
You don't have to be alone anymore. We can do this. Together.
그의 지시에 이끌려 되돌릴 수 없는 결정을 내리며 결국 네이선을 택합니다.
I love you.
I love you.
하지만 이미 타인을 해치는 행위에서 왜곡된 만족을 알아버린 케이틀린은 끝내 네이선마저 제거하고
Didn't like the way that he treated women. In fact, a lot of who I am now is because of him. Anyway, tell me about you. So it says on your profile that you're a doctor? I kind of have a thing for doctors.
스스로 다음 표적을 찾으며 드라마는 끝이 납니다. 소울메이트는 2020년에 공개된 미국 드라마 시리즈로 과학적으로 운명의 상대를 찾아준다는 기술이 등장한 이후의 세계를 배경으로 사랑과 결혼, 선택의 의미가 어떻게 달라지는지를 각기 다른 인물들의 이야기로 풀어낸 작품인데요. 각 에피소드가 독립적인 구성으로 진행되며 운명이라는 확신이 오히려 관계를 흔들고 사람들의 욕망과 불안을 더 선명하게 드러낸다는 점이 드라마의 가장 큰 특징입니다. 다만 설정 자체는 흥미롭지만 에피소드마다 완성도의 편차가 크고 감정선이 충분히 쌓이기 전에 이야기가 끝나 여운이 깊게 남기보다는 아이디어 중심으로 느껴지는 아쉬움도 있습니다. 그럼에도 소울메이트는 사랑이 선택인지 운명인지 그리고 정답이 주어졌을 때 인간은 더 행복해질 수 있는지를 묻는 사고 실험 같은 드라마로 남습니다. 로맨스의 철학적 질문을 더한 이야기를 좋아하시는 분들께 소울메이트 추천드리며 이상 명영화였습니다. 감사합니다.